What were you asking me?
I was wondering, I found these in the yard a couple miles away. I was wondering if anybody knew these people.
Hey, Gretchen.
Ron and Janice Johns, I know them.
John, that's from Collins.
Yeah,
How far away is that?
that's just right down the street. That's the one.
They all right?
No, he had a broken hip.
This is Dwayne Linder. I know him.
Oh, he'd be happy to find this though.
Oh, Ron? Yeah.
Has anybody seen these? Anybody?
Where did you find this at?
My brother's house over across by Fostoria, across Woodville Road.
Server.
That's connected.
So I hope they look this up because when we get back, back in that tree line, there's just tons of this stuff all over. Those are these people's lives.
Right.
These are some old photos.
Yep.
Hey guys, over at the church right here at the end, there's a table where they have a bunch of photos they were found and they're laying them out.
Is that what they're doing?
So that's probably the best place to take them.
You want to take them over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a table. They're laying it all out so that, and then if you see anyone that's looking for stuff, send them down there because there's stuff down there.
Okay.
Yeah.